Hey everyone! Today I'm back at it with the karaoke singing. Today I'm in the best room of my house for, kind of the auto-tune, just kidding sounding thing, but oh man, kind of repelling sound if you know what I mean. And it's my bathroom. Okay, yeah. But as you can see, we're doing Stone Cold. Stone Cold. Stone Cold. Stone Cold. You see me standing, but I'm dying on the stone cold. Baby, I should have done karaoke. Baby, if I don't cry. Oh, Sing Karaoke is a very good name. Back off Instagram. What is this? Cold, stone cold. You see me standing, but I'm dying on the floor. Stone cold, stone cold. Maybe if I don't cry, I won't feel anymore. Stone cold, baby. God knows I tried to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I'll take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. If happy is hurt, I'm happy for you. Stone cold, stone cold. You're dancing with her while I'm staring at my phone. Stone cold, stone cold. You thought was your amber, but now she's your shade of gold. Stone cold, baby. God knows I tried to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. If happy is her, I'm happy for you. Don't wanna be stone cold, stone. I wish I could be meaningless, but here's my goodbye. Oh, I'm happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. If happy's her, happy's her, happy for you. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm sorry if my singing sucks. We had a singing class today, and I lost my voice during that, so I'm sorry.